show you our stuff. Please be gentle. We're a new group, a new band, a new acapella group. We're new on the scene. Yeah. Here we go. We're working on a name. If you have good names for our acapella group, then please submit them to maroon5.com. I'm glad that you caught that and it did not hit you in the face. Makes me very happy. Good catch. Ready, boys? Alright, let's get serious with this. Acapella, serious shit. Thank you.